Job within our own state, instead of giving job to our own people, our government is bringing lots of outsiders, to accommodate them in the job. Look at our secretariat right now. Does it look like Meghalaya Secretariat? It doesn't look like Meghalaya Secretariat anymore. It looks like some, Andhra or maybe Gujarat or maybe Haryana Secretariat. You go, you will see. I think you might have seen also. Does it look like Meghalaya Secretariat right now? No. Don't we, as in Meghalaya, are we not embarrassed for that? Are we not ashamed for that? So we should be checking on this particular incumbency.
What is according?
After that Manipur incidents, now all these drugs, mafia has changed the route. They were using the Meghalaya route. Everybody knows that. Everyone knows that. I've been shouting this one. I've given lots of letters to the Prime Minister, to the Home Ministers, to each and every ministers who are in charge of the Northeast, to protect and to preserve the Northeasterners. Okay? Now, we have talked about this. There was a lots of illegal activities within the border. Last time also during this last budget, this last session itself, I've shouted about, instead of catching the drug mafias, they sent our Christian nuns to the jail. So this is the attitude and mindset of the government. If the government is willing to change, within no time they can change it. If they want to catch all of these drug mafias, within 1 month or maybe within 1 week they can, catch all of these people. Give me 1 month, I can clear up these guys in no time. Dekho. Himmat hai. Because they don't have a political will at all to finish this drugs abuse, to finish this corruption, to finish this kind of anti-social activity. That's why such incidents is happening every now and then.
I will add to that point. Basarang, I will say that no, they have the will, but they have the will for profiting from it.
That is true on the other side.
They don't have the political will to cut their profits, and for their personal greed, they are putting the entire Northeast youth and their health and their families to destruction by continuing the drug business in these states. If law and order and police is in their hand, do you think that any of these state governments need so much of time to cut the entire drug chain unless and until they are also beneficiaries from this business?
You see, whenever any illegal immigrants entering the state is caught by, whenever the BSF catch all of these illegal immigrants, they send to our state, right? But in the meantime, instead of keeping them, they push them back. I had lots of meetings with the BSF right now. And we have, as I've told you, we have given lots of letters to Prime Minister, to President, to Union Minister, even to the state also. That's why right now, I think to stop this particular chain of illegal activities and illegal transportation, the government of India has directed that, export and import should be banned for a while, unless and until they make some kind of a serious measurement in this particular area. I just could see just few days back some gimmick is going on. Now just recently only they are making a noise checking the border area, whereas it was there from before itself. Why can't they do so? When things are getting out of hand, only they are trying to react. Now government itself is saying that you have to get the doctor certificate for the HIV. Then only. Why can't they stop it before? Only when your children, when your neighbor, when your relatives only started having these kinds of disease, then only you want to stop. What is this? We should stop it even before also. We could have done it. And then we still can do it if government will.
And if any of these governments